Welcome to another episode of Not for the Weak Minded. Now, just to prove my point of what I see in these images, I took a look at some other footage, and this is so-called satellite imagery of the explosion causing mass migration issues in Manila, right? Can you see it? Can you see that there's a triangle shaped craft there? Clear as day. Now watch. Let me zoom in. That there is blatantly obvious. It's so dark. It's darker than the rest of everything. And yet I know from what I see with my own eyes, with my own experiences one time, that they do indeed have very, very large triangle shaped craft, because I saw it go across the moon. Literally, and it went straight line and it went for a while. And I thought, wow, that's a big ship in low Earth orbit. So, just watch. Yep, volcano, right? No, it's not a volcano. Do you know why? Because, let's go back, start again. Stop. That's the wrong pause button. Apologies. Because you can see a clear as day, a triangle shaped craft. In the video you also saw UFOs, not in the images, and I'm going to look through other things in a minute to prove my point. Now, a lot of people think that because of geological time and the lies of through the centuries, that this is not what I'm saying, that this is not a direct attack from low Earth orbit, that is a volcano. And yet, right, it's meant to be one of the most active areas. Go and look at the pictures on Google Earth. It is serene. Go look at how deep this is, right? Now, if this was really active, you would see it bubbling at the surface and it would be obvious. Now, the second thing is, what happens when you bomb water? It creates steam and vapor and dust. Now, obviously, that is part of the deception of what's going on today. You know, I can't stress it enough that they've lied to you about every single principle that governs our existence, and that this is more deception to make people move. You know, because the people in Philippines still live their way. They're still living in their rafts, you know, their canoes. They're still living in their peaceful mindset. They've been attacked continuously, you know. Secondly, can you see the demon faces? You know, here as well. Clear as day. Eye, mouth, nose. Clear as day. You know what I'm saying? And this is all, as I keep saying, demonic, because what they've done is they spread nano-smart dust across the earth, and unfortunately many people don't believe in ghosts, many people don't believe in demons, even though you can be a professional demonologist, for example. You know, you can get qualifications in psychic mediumship and people still don't believe it. You know, professions, for goodness sake. And how that relates to technology being used to basically prove ghosts exist, but secondly that ghosts and demons can manipulate our technology with their energies. So all these demon faces in the skies have absolutely, in my opinion, have everything to do with nano-smart dust being spread across the earth. Tiny particles of metals and computers which they can manipulate to make them appear in the skies. Did you at any point, I mean, I'm 34, and I remember growing up at the beach every year and not seeing any of this like we see today. It was not like this. Now, obviously, being conscious, you start to see things differently. And, well, is this what it really is, you know? Is this what it's been the whole time? Like, clouds are made up of these faces. Anyway, you know, all life is made up of these faces, in fact. So let's watch it again. Now, this was a direct target attack. Watch. You know? Boom. Up it goes. So, you know, I'm just saying the obvious. Please share, like, and subscribe.